this video, we will see some of the well-paid jobs that companies employ around the world. You will not be asked for a college degree and you can work from home. If you're ready, like this video and let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to the new video on the Passive Income Academy channel. My name is Boris, welcome to my channel where you can expect 4 weekly videos on passive income methods and making money online strategies. We'll talk about affiliate marketing, dropshipping, drop servicing, CPA marketing, crypto, forex and investing in index funds and shares of companies. If this is the content you are interested in, like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about a new opportunity for remote work, since many of you want to earn by working from home with flexible working hours and not very demanding work. The first company we see today is Neckas. As always, all the companies and websites we mention in the video will be pinned in the first comment of this video. This is online database software made easy. It's an online database software that does not require code. How will you find a job offer? So in the most cases, scroll to the bottom of the page and click the careers button. As you can read, it's a completely remote company. It was founded from the beginning to work from home, and here we can see an interesting picture of a colleague who is on the Zoom call from his car. You can read about their business culture, their values, as well as the benefits of working with this company. In terms of benefits, they offer unlimited paid vacation, health insurance, as well as organized paid travel with the company twice a year. They cover the costs of accommodation, transportation and food. When you scroll to the bottom of the page, you will see different open positions. Of course, you can apply for whichever you want, but we will focus on support engineer for today. When you open a position, you can read absolutely all the details related to this position, as well as what are the requirements that are expected of you to fulfill to get this job. If you want to apply for this job, scroll to the bottom of the page and fill out the form. They will ask you how you heard about their company, and here you can enter a link from this YouTube video. Also, if you look, we can see that the average annual salary for this position is between $75,000 and $95,000. The next company we see today is Yodo1. This is a gaming monetization platform. Her clients are mostly game creators, and this company helps them sell their products faster and increase their revenue and profit. To find their job offer, click the company button from the drop-down menu and select Careers. We immediately see a great title that says you can work with them from anywhere in the world. If we scroll further, we will find their job offer. You can look at all these jobs and apply for the job that suits you the best. You also have filters at the top, and the job we choose for today's video is from the customer experience section, because it's something most of you guys on the channel can do. Specifically, we choose the position customer support representative for global publishing. As you can read, they employ a person who knows English, who will support and take care of the players. Here you can also read a detailed job description, what are the advantages, benefits, but also the requirements when it comes to this position. It's important to emphasize that they are looking for someone who can work in the Chinese time zone, more precisely in the zone in which the city of Beijing is located. If you think you fit all the conditions, at the end of the page you have the apply button. Click here and sign up for this job. It's important to emphasize that you don't change the last 2 items from the form, so leave them to fill in automatically and click on the submit button at the end. The last company for today is Automatic. What you want to do is click the Work with Us button. Here you will read what it looks like working for this company. They offer hundreds of open positions in over 70 countries around the world. When you scroll, you will really see a huge number of different positions, and I'm sure that each of you will find a suitable job for yourself. The job we will present to you for today's video is in the Happiness Engineers section. This is a customer support position that does not require a mobile phone. You will be an active member of the team that provides global support through chat, support tickets, one-on-one share screen sessions and forums. You can read all the requirements, benefits and your responsibilities when it comes to this business job. If you want to sign up, scroll to the bottom of the page and click the apply button. As I said, there are too many categories and jobs, and I'm sure that each of you will find a suitable job. The average salary for a happiness engineer position is around $72,000 per year. That would be all for this amazing video. I hope you've learned something new and useful, and that you will at least look and consider these jobs. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like it, subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, because I will be more active there soon. You also see this number of 1000 subscribers. When it comes to 5000, I will do a $500 giveaway and a couple more nice prizes. If you want to have a closer relationship with me and other people from the channel, feel free to send me a DM on Instagram. Just type Passive Income Academy and I will try to help you with your questions. I will also leave you a playlist with other remote jobs of foreign companies if you want to see another tutorial on this topic. Also, if you want to find out how I earned over $100,000 in 2 years with the help of drop servicing, we have in the description of the video first link. Until the next video, new education and earnings online, big greetings from my YouTube channel. Cheers!